Hello student, today we do exercise 6.3 of chapter 6, the triangles and its properties. Class 7th. Today's topic, angle sum property. As we all know, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let me prove this by an activity. How? I am having here two triangles. Angle 1 A, angle B, angle C. Same in the second triangle, angle A, B, angle C. Now I am going to cut these three angles. After cutting our figure like this, these are three angles. Angle A, B, C. Now we paste these angles on this line segment. If these angles completely set on that line, then it shows angle sum property of triangle. See how we will paste it. Student, you also do this activity. Paste here. Angle B, angle A, at last angle C. See, it forms a line. That's why sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Simple and easy activity. A triangle have three sides. Three angles, as we all know, and three vertex. Vertex, point, both are same things. Isosceles property. If two sides are equal of a triangle, then the basis angle are also equal. We will discuss in our next video. On the basis of angle sum property, we do some question of exercise 6.3. Statement is on your screen. Find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. Figure. Angle A, angle B, angle C, all are interior angle of the triangle. Sum of these three angle is 180 degree. To find x, आप तीनों एंगल को ऐड करेंगे इक्वल्स टू 180. क्यों? बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल. अभी अभी हमने एक्टिविटी से सीखा. नाउ सॉल्विंग. 110 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा. देन इट बिकम्स, आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, 70 degree. Student, use rough work area for calculation. Next question, part second. X, symbol of 90 degree plus 30 will make equals to 180 degree. Right here, using angle sum property. Dear student, you have to write the reason why it is. ऐसा क्यों किया हमने? इक्वल टू 180 पुट क्यों किया? सॉल्विंग. 90 प्लस 30 मेक्स 120 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 180. 120 को आप राइट हैंड साइड में लेकर के जाएंगे. प्लस का था, माइनस का हो जाएगा. 180 में से 120 को माइनस किया, बिकम्स 60 degree. Now the next figure, part third. Figure. To find x, x plus 30 plus 110 equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property. Solving, simple, becomes 40 degree. Next is part fourth. 50xx. These two x are equal, means to say opposite sides of these angles are also equal. To find x, sum of these three angle 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Like वेरिएबल्स है, दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे. 1x प्लस 1x मेक्स 2x. जब भी आप ऐड करते हैं वेरिएबल टर्म में तो कांस्टेंट इंक्रीज होता है, वेरिएबल विल सेम. 2x equals to 180 minus 50. 180 में से 50 माइनस करने पर 130 मिलेगा आपको. 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है वेरिएबल के साथ. व्हेन वी चेंज इट्स साइड इट विल गोज इन डिवीजन. कट. 2 6 12, 1 कैरी, 1 0 makes 10, 2 5 10. Hence, x is 65 degree. Answer. Next question. Part 5. Here all angles are equal to x degree. If all angles of a triangle are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral, in which all sides are equal. Adding these three angles, we have 180. Same reason we will put here. Makes 3x equals to 180. Then x becomes 60 degree. Next and last question, that is x plus 2x plus 90 makes 180. Reason? Angle sum property. X 2x like term becomes 3x. 90 will goes to right hand side, becomes of minus. Then x equals to 30 degree. Answer. We can also find the values of these two angles. How? X 30, 2 into 30 makes 60 degree. 60 plus 30 plus 90, 180. That means our question is perfect. Thank you. Have a nice day.